At the end of the day, I think you want to belong to a group of other people that just are trying to learn and really enjoy Save Club. As members, pay your 20 bucks a month, save 50, 100, 200 bucks, hopefully more. In my case, I'm already at 950 bucks within my first 4 weeks, my 1 month anniversary. Cha-ching! I've saved more money than I ever thought possible. To be fully honest, I thought I'd save 50 here. I don't know, 20 bucks, hopefully more than 100, but to save 900 and something bucks my first month, that's mind blowing. So my membership, the next 12 months times 20, whatever that is, it's more than paid off. So I'm super happy just as a member. And I like to talk to other people in my group, in our Facebook private invite only groups. It's just awesome because you get more ideas. Like, oh, I never even thought about saving money that way. Okay, because people will bring up car insurance, health insurance, medicine. All right, how can I maybe save with gasoline? I'm just thinking, how can I save on things that I'm already buying? Like, okay, I got to buy food. I got to buy something to drink. Occasionally, I do like to go to Walmart. That's probably my favorite go-to store for just about everything. And then once in a while, go to like Home Depot, Discount Tire, things that you're not going to go to every month. But to justify that $120 bill for that 30 days, if you're saving 200 bucks, like I saved 300 bucks just on a mattress, right there alone, holy crap, that's already justified my 20 bucks times how many months? Okay. So that's how I'm thinking on the membership side. I don't have to explain Save Club to anybody except I spend 20 bucks. I've saved hundreds on a mattress. That same 20 bucks saved me hundreds and hundreds on 6 tires for one truck, 4 tires for my or 5 tires for my Hummer. I went to Burger King, oops. Went to Subway. And I don't even like Subway sandwiches. I think they're average, but you go anyway. McDonald's hamburgers, they're okay. You go anyway. It's amazing what we eat. Just speaking for me living over on this side of the pond in America. But no matter what you're going to do, what you're going to do. But you need to get addicted to just putting on your cell phone, go to saveclub.com, go to My Deals, and in the search area, if you are going to Subway, just type in Subway. Okay? You can put in the zip code as well, which will even break down all the local smaller businesses, because Subways, obviously, I think there's like 20,000 Subways worldwide, or just here in America, I read. But obviously, you're probably going to shop at local places too. And I know in the next year or two, 3 years, 5 years, there's going to be millions and millions of deals in every country, small little businesses to the big boys that are the top Fortune 500, Fortune 100, the Fortune 50. We're talking billion, if not trillion-dollar businesses. And some of them are already in Save Club. And we're saving people more money than even Priceline or Orbitz, because you can see the price difference. Or just go to the apps of Priceline, Orbitz, whatever, Groupon, and just see what they have to offer. And if they have a better deal, okay, right on, high five. But I know, this is my opinion, in the next year or two, when you got a private kind of group of people, 1 million people paying 20 bucks a month, these businesses, they're going to go, look, we're going to give a better deal. Because these people are actually paying 20 bucks a month to be in this private club. So we got to make it worth their while. And what's worth their while? Well, hell, saving more than 20 bucks. And I don't mean 30 or 40, because sometimes it's a pain in the ass. And I'm honest about this. If I think I'm only going to save 30 bucks, but I got to spend 20, sometimes it's like, I just hope I even remember I have Save Club on my phone or on my computer to print out a coupon. It's like coupons in a Sunday newspaper back in the day. You'd have this many coupons and forget half of them, and the other half are expired by the time you even try to even go use them. With Save Club, they're just always going to be there. If they're online and you type that, and for my example, discount tire, if that deal is online, I know it's fresh and yummy. It's not expired. There's not going to be a bunch of expired deals on Save Club. So for me to try to get people to join Save Club by twisting their arm, oh, come on, just do it. They're going to be like, well, how much is it? Okay, $20. I can afford that. And when they go in the back office, when you go in the back office and you start seeing 50 to 100 to 200 to maybe thousands of dollars of savings, because you know you're going to have to build that patio, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot. You know you're going to have that dang sandwich, go to Subway, save the $5 or whatever they have. I wanted a mattress just so I sleep a little better. So why not save $300? I don't want to give it to just a company just because. I have to bust my ass for $300. All right? I don't care if I won Powerball. It's just smart. I do have friends that have attained millionaire status. I have some friends that have hundreds of millions right here in good old Salt Lake City. A lot of millionaires here. There's a ton of money in this town. Okay? And every darn one of my buddies or friends, girl, guy, male, female, grandma, young kid, they're going to tell you, if you can get a deal on something you're already going to buy, well, of course, why not take advantage of that? Unless you're only saving $1, don't spend $5 of gas to go save $1 and then drive back, and which takes another $5 of gas. So my point is, you're not going to spend $10 on gasoline to go save $1. Okay, with this type of opportunity, you just type it in. Well, look on your phone screen. Look on your home screen. Well, I'm on a home computer right now. If I don't have a lot of deals that are going to save me $20, it's obvious. I just go, hey, it's just not for me. But people that want to save money, and they will save money, and it's verified on their computer screen, I don't have to twist their arm. I don't have to twist your arm. You're going to go ahead and say, this is just a darn good deal. I like Save Club just as a membership-based savings opportunity. And when I step in and say, but would you like to be an affiliate? If you got those three $20 bills, do you have $60? Because if you do, you can be an affiliate. That pays off 12 months of you earning the right to go and earn money. You can do what I'm doing. Invite you to a link, click it. If you think you're going to save money by spending that $20 a month, awesome. And if you think you can spread information, maybe through a video like this, my team has videos already made for you. My team already has pictures made for you. If you want to email people, you can join my funnel system where you can pay for emails. I have over 150 emails at Kick-Ass that I will give you for free. I use them every day. I send out well over 150,000 emails every 24 hours. Does it work? Do you think I can get a sign up here, sign up there? If you go to CoryDraper.com, go see my incomes. And they're all similar, where you click a link, watch a short video, and then that person, you might decide, is that opportunity for you? Is that service? If it is, great. If not, it's not me teaching or coming to your house and just saying, hey, I want you to join. I'm broke. I'm desperate. Will you please join? I want you to save money. Dang it. Come here. I'm gonna twist your arm. Ow, ow. I don't have to do that with Save Club. Save Club, you just offer it like, hey, would you like dessert? Here's chocolate, ice cream. Here's vanilla. Here's strawberry. Do you want all three? It's up to you. If not, hey, thanks for your time, kid. I'm going to go and offer it to someone else. That's all you do with Save Club. Just offer. Let people decide. Let you decide. Someone offered it to me. I decided. I'm a bigger pain in the ass than almost anybody that I'm going to recruit or sign up. Okay? I'm going to analyze because the word anal's in it. I'm going to analyze it. I'm going to analyze it. I don't want to look like a sucker. I just want to look like a rock and roll guy that dresses like a big pumpkin with my rock hat on. But how I kind of measure, is Save Club worth doing? And is it embarrassing? Or am I trying to just make money and move on to the next opportunity? Number one, I'm fortunate enough where I don't need to go beg someone to join something to make something because I'm broke. If I do something, it's because I really do believe in it. My real name is behind it, corydraper.com. My email has my name in it. All my usernames have my name in it. On a straight level, if you lived here, I really do value my reputation and my real name. I own my own corydraper.com domain name. All of everything I do, I try to put my name behind it. I'm not hiding behind Save Club going, God, I hope people really do this, wink, wink, nod, nod. And then in 6 months, 3 months, maybe I stay for a year, and then I just disappear to another opportunity. What I do is I will add an opportunity. If you look at my last 2 years, everything that I've joined is still making me money. And if it doesn't, I don't do videos about it anymore. I take it off corydraper.com. That's it. It's easy. I'm not mailing postcards that's costing me money. And then I keep mailing out postcards, spending $500 a month, and I'm not even making that 500 back. That's the beauty of technology. I just do a nice video like this, and if it works, great. If not, okay, I'll tweak it a little bit. Maybe talk about more benefits that are different versus, do you want to join Save Club just to be a member and save money? Spend that $20 a month. Or can you make money as an affiliate? I really think you can. I've done pretty darn good. I'm averaging about $1,000 a week right now. And how I base that is my income after a month is right around $4,000. Well, there's about 4 weeks in a month. So in my mind, I've made $4,000. I've saved $950. And with my funnel system, I've made about another $700, $800, which is recurring, which means next month, I'm going to get that amount and probably make more. Okay, that's all speculation, but in my experience of doing this a handful of years, when people have success doing something by spending $25 a month for a funnel, they're going to get the funnel again and again and again. There's no contracts with the funnel. You got $25, give it a shot. And I'll give you the link to it. And just watch a video. That's all you do. Watch a video. If you like what you see, give it a shot. $25. If you like Save Club, join for 20 and see if it's for you for 30 days. And if it is, then I'm not going anywhere. If you want to be an affiliate 30 days from now, that's awesome. The only thing I like to bring up now is we're in pre-launch. We're building bigger downlines and teams because this isn't really as worldwide advertised as it's going to be. June 1st of 2025 is our ready, set, go. And over the next year, we're going to add thousands, if not millions of opportunities worldwide, businesses all over the world. And we're signing up people all over the world now. But if you want to be an affiliate, do the best research you can. You can join my team. I hope you do. I have private Facebook groups that are awesome. We have team training. We have 3 live Zooms just from the company, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I do anywhere from 3 to 7 to 10 videos per day just on my YouTube channel, all related about Save Club or something that might help you generate leads or traffic, which I want you to get sales. And this is a no shit Sherlock moment. If you make more money, guess who does too? Your boy here dressed as a pumpkin with a rock hat on. I want you to earn more money. Number 1, it makes me feel good. It really does. And number 2, I can make more money too. So I can go buy Hot Wheels and Lego kits. And maybe I can go buy another rock and roll hat. I look like Def Leppard, rock till you drop. Okay, but it's up to you. All I do is offer you an opportunity. I just wanted to kind of have a 15-minute little chat with you guys this morning. And what I do is I invite you to I Love Save Club. I want you to look into this opportunity and join. But I want you to be an affiliate. I want you to make money. I'm going to help you make money. And then I'm going to make more money too. And I'm going to teach you how to do the same. There's plenty of money for all of us to share. Okay, this is not a cash grab just for the leaders and then we move on to something else. Take your time. I want you to determine, do you have enough time to do this? Because it's affordable. $20 plus 60, $80 you're in. If you want this funnel system, which I highly recommend, it's $25. So for about $105, you got one heck of an opportunity in front of you. You can get business cards, a domain name. I'll help you guys get all configured too. But boy, what a great deal. And I sure hope that you look into this. It's so worth looking into. Okay? Get a hold of me if I can help you out with any I guess, advice or maybe just my thoughts about stuff, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Like I said, my name is even in my email address. I've had this since like 1990 or so. Once America Online came out, then I learned how to buy CoryDraper.com. I've had this forever. Okay? All right. Thanks for the last 15 minutes of your life. I love SaveClub.com, SaveClubFunnels.com. That's it. My work is done. Okay, you guys, thanks again for your time. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I sure hope you come aboard this Save Club thing. It's pretty cool. All right, take care, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.